Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 4th reveal in Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar and you haven't looked at the December 4th item, you may want to pause the video here. I'm about to open the box. I'll find number 4, open up the little outside window, and that will show a picture of what's included. Then I'll peel back the little paper piece and I'll pull it out, and it looks like we have another die set. I'll open it up, pull out all the pieces. And this is a sentiment set. It has the words and also the outline, and it includes to you from me. I love having the outlines to go with the dies. Really helps them stand out against the background. For my card today, the pattern paper is from Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. I will be using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Reverse Confetti. It's number 24. And if you are interested in the card sketch with measurements, I share that on my coordinating blog post. That link is in the description box below, or you can head over to KristieMarcotte.com. I selected 2 pattern papers for the background, the colorful hearts as the main background, and on the left side, I'm using the strip with the rainbow of colors. For a little bit of separation between the 2 pattern papers, I'm adding a Love from Lizi peel off. This is the teal mirror color in the pinstripe style, and I'm using the medium width. Now I put one at the top and bottom, but I really could have just put it at the bottom since all of that top area will be covered up with the sentiment box and also some banners. I'm using another pattern paper for the sentiment box, tone-on-tone teal butterfly paper, and I layered everything on some teal cardstock. For the 2 small banners on the left side of the card, selected 2 more tone-on-tone pattern papers, a pink design and also a light peach with flowers and butterflies. I'll first attach the butterfly tone-on-tone paper panel. For the 2 banners, I'll cut the bottom at an angle. To get the same angle, I held the 2 pieces together and did 1 cut. Before adhering the 2 banners, I'll add a scrap piece of cardstock above the butterfly box. That way the banners stay at the same level and they don't dip down. I'll attach the pink banner down first, then the light peach banner next, adding more of those scrap cardstock pieces. And for the light peach banner, I will add a second piece of cardstock since it does go up just slightly higher than the pink banner. And I'll also add just a small piece at the very bottom where it sits on the butterfly pattern paper. Now I'll put glue on the back and adhere it in place. Now I'll start working on the sentiment, and I've already cut out all of the pieces. I used the same teal cardstock for the sentiment, and for the outline piece I used some white pearlescent cardstock. I have all of the die cut pieces in one of scrapbook.com's stack and sort trays. That way I don't lose them since they are fairly small pieces. I'm using a pair of reverse tweezers to hold the sentiment, putting glue on the back and adhering it on the outline piece. I have one final word to assemble. Put glue on the back and adhere the word you on the outline. Once I have all of the words adhered, now I can add the sentiment on my card. I'll be stacking the 4 different words and alternating the direction. So the word to will be more on the left side, you will be more on the right, from will be on the left, and me more toward the right. I first laid out all 4 words to get placement correct before starting to glue them down. And I'm starting at the bottom and working my way up. I have just one more word to adhere in place. For embellishments, I'm using some of these leftover pieces from my stash. I have all these small sheets of bling. For this card, I decided to use 3 small stars. And hopefully, as I continue on with the advent cards, I'll be able to use up more of this leftover bling stash. I put 2 of the stars in the upper right-hand corner of the sentiment and 1 on the left side. So there is my finished card using the December 4th item from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Be sure to stop by tomorrow for the December 5th reveal. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.